What up? Coming to you live from the gas station. In today's video, we are finally gonna do some exciting things. First and foremost, let's fill up the pink lemonade with some good old 93. You guys know this is the only gas I put in my K cars, regardless of what you guys have to tell me. It's for my mental health. Just like that. Oh my god! Here I am making a video. I forgot to put this. I guess when I get back from Mendy Imports, I can install this. I really want to do it before that. That way I could just clean everything off. But in today's video, we're going to put a brand new oil filter. You guys know I just completed a 35-hour road trip in the pink lemonade. And I figured it's only right to do that. And then we're going to put some brand new rotors and some brand new brake pads. So we're going to do even more investing in this car. As you guys know, we just did the headliner over. Exterior still looks as great as ever. Still need to fix that, but I'll get to it when I get to it. I'm leaving in Japan in a couple days, so it's really the least of my concerns. But now, let's drive 56 minutes to Connecticut. Update, just made it to Daihatsu Garage. Picking up the Daihatsu Naked. Stay tuned for this video next. Dave said he wants to race the Alto, but I don't really feel like embarrassing him right now.
Let's run it for pink slips.
For pinks? We can do pinks. With the pink. And then we got the Skyline with it.
Black with the pinks black. Look at the interior. It's actually really clean.
No, the car's nice.
Yeah.
I really wonder if you could take the doors off. It's like, why else would they put the window switches right there?
I know. You see how wide the doors open, by the way? Like,
Damn!
Yeah. And all of them, not just one.
Really?
All of them. Yeah.
Wow.
I think it's meant for like maybe so handicapped people can get in.
Yeah.
Maybe they had a handicap edition.
No, that's the next level. Does it have a tray under there?
Yeah.
Damn. I had no idea the doors open that wide. And then if anyone's looking for a Skyline, we got a 4-door one for sale. Automatic, Daihatsu Garage. About to install new pads. Look like he's doing some maintenance, maybe some sound deadening back there, maybe some speakers.
All right, so you put that down, and then you pull up on this. And I got my briefcase. Now I go work. Isn't that crazy? It's like an element.
Yeah.
It really is like an element. And then now you got this whole back space to work with.
I like how this is like this too on the Nakeds.
Yeah. It's like very industrial. I think it was to compete with the elements, to be honest with you.
I doubt it. It's a K car.
Yeah, but
This was before the Element.
Yeah, I guess that's true. No. This was right around the time of the element.
No, it's 99 and 2000.
I think there was a 2000.
No.
Or maybe this was the inspiration for the element.
Mendy's currently having a flash sale. For example, this Daihatsu unclothed is 5,000 buckaroos.
Isn't that crazy?
It's my first time seeing this one.
Oh yeah. What are your thoughts on it?
It's nice. These are fog lights?
Yeah, they're not hooked up right now, but they
Yeah.
are fog lights. I just have to take this off.
Yeah, shout out to him though.
Yeah, it's actually really nice. This is what Project Acme I wish was when it had the air conditioning.
Oh wow, look at the speed there. It's a nice touch.
Let me grab the last one.
Another nice little safety touch. Got some wheels on there. You guys have seen the Daihatsu Little Person. Me and Valentina were driving this. Brand new headliner. This Jimny, if I wasn't going to Japan, I probably would buy. I haven't owned a JB23 yet. This one only has 95,000 kilometers. Has a radio, has AC, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. Pretty stockish. Shout out Taggy. Dual airbag. It's always a good touch. Interior is clean. And then the naked, I'm gonna make a separate video on this. So that's why I'm not really talking about it too much. I really want to, like, a lot of my first impressions to be while I'm recording. But from what I know about this car, dual glove box. I didn't know about the seats in the back, how they just come out like that. And I also didn't know that the doors open like this, which is like, for New York, that just scares me. For people double parking, someone opens my door too much, it comes off. But I like this little tray. I wonder if this seat goes down all the way flat for it to be something to eat on. Let's see. If this still goes down all the way flat. Wow, it does. Yeah, man, this car is sick. All right, so now that we have all the cars lined up, I just find it hard to believe that there's not someone watching who wants a Honda Acti.
No, it's crazy. I've had it up for so long. Nobody's actually...
It's 4-wheel drive too, right?
Yeah.
AC.
4-wheel drive, AC. It's like fully spec'd. With rims too, at that.
Yeah.
They're like whatever, but...
Chocolate brown interior. Clean bed. Only has, what's that, like 80,000 miles.
Yeah.
What's the price on this one?
For the vid, just for the vid, $5,500.
50 with title, obviously.
With title, Massachusetts title.
Yeah. Can be delivered too if you live in the Northeast. Then we got this, which is probably the car you least want to get rid of.
Yeah.
So let's do the Jimny next. Do the Jimny next.
Okay, the Jimny.
Yeah.
Vid price for this one, $6K.
6K.
Gotta get it out. It's gotta go.
4-wheel drive, dual airbag, 5-speed, 95,000 kilometers, AC, power windows. Kind of Teggy touch.
And it's been serviced.
And it's been serviced at 93. Oh, not that long ago.
No, it's up to 97.
That's probably when you have to do the next one.
Yeah.
Power mirrors.
Top loads too.
She said 6.
6 for that one.
And then what would you say next?
I guess the naked. The naked's rough around the edges.
Yeah, exterior wise, it's kind of like the perfect way for the Fame car.
Yeah.
Like, it's pretty flat, would be easy to wrap or paint.
Yeah. I think wrapping this would be sick.
Yeah.
This one's $5,500.
5,500. This
and it's turbo.
I'll show a picture of this for like $60 or something like that.
This one's 65.
65, 4-wheel drive. All these are really best offer if you're actually serious.
Yeah, 'cause I need to go to Japan.
Yeah, we got Japan in like less than 2 weeks. Power windows. Shout out to Israel. 5-speed, high-low, AC, 139,000 kilometers.
It's got the original carpet on the back, which is pretty baller too.
Yeah.
Actually, should grab that carpet off the back.
The headliner is mint in here. These I don't think go down flat, right?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, they do. You just gotta take off the headrest. It's got tries, which that in itself is worth $500 at least.
We've got power windows in the back too. I didn't realize.
Yeah, all around.
Yeah. And it's on tries, which is the most important part.
I know.
I think they're 4x.
This, honestly, should probably go on the naked. But but it does make the classic look a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Because like you don't really see these every day, especially with this front end and the.
Just for the trial, I think we should put those on the naked.
Yeah, right.
Just to see what the naked looks like. I feel like the naked's value would go up.
Yeah.
I guess I could take a hit on this and make the naked's value go up.
Yeah, but the naked needs paint though.
Yeah,
Like someone's gonna complain about that.
Yeah.
And
But
then-
did you show the interior? How clean it is? Like.
Yeah, no, it's sick. It's sick. That's what I'm saying. It's like the perfect way for the Fame car.
It's embarrassing that I don't have K plates on all of them. Except
I know.
I gotta get K plates on.
Then last but not least,
Daihatsu
little person that has fresh seat, fresh headliner, soon to have fresh tune-up.
Oh yeah, did you see the shank key?
Oh yeah, super cool key too.
And this one came with like 5 keys. It was crazy.
And now whoever had this took care of it.
Yeah. Fresh headliner too.
Yeah. Soon to have fresh speed stars.
Yeah, look, pop this.
This? For the troll, we should put them on today too.
Yeah.
Let's try to get all 5 of these gone ASAP so we can go to JAPAN. This car actually would be very easy to wrap. While in Japan, I think I have to buy a Daihatsu naked. So if you're looking for one, just know WayBeforeTheFame spec will be coming very soon. If anyone's looking for a food truck,
This thing's sick. Fully loaded, ready to go. Turbo.
you should drive this.
2JZ. That'd be sick to pull up to like Coco in this.
Yeah.
And just like sell merch out of the side of it.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever I have left.
Here's what it looks like on the inside. It's got 2 tanks, fire extinguisher, fridges. This thing is really like turnkey and ready to go. Maybe at some point, I have old videos. Click the corner right now to see a video of it in action.
See, this is why you can't use a tool to freaking tighten it. There it goes. That thing's black. Should grab the flashlight.
My rotors, I guess, aren't that bad. No, they're pretty bad.
No, they're actually not.
But my pads,
The backs are supposed to be bad.
yeah. My pads have no life though. And when you're in a car with 200 horsepower that weighs nothing, you need good
That
pads.
spools like crazy. It's not terrible, but it's not great.
I just do it for peace of mind. Like,
Of course, everybody should be doing this though.
and the car's gonna be gone soon. So.
Take both of them off. I think what I ended up needing for my mirror, which is the nut part.
So unfortunately, the brakes that I ordered from Japan that were for my CR22S Alto apparently do not fit, which is very frustrating. Update, so unfortunately I wasn't able to change the pads and rotors. Luckily it's not like squealing or really unbearable. The car still stops with no problem. But while I'm in Japan, I'll continue to search for those. Maybe I just ordered the wrong parts. I don't think I did. But I did put some fresh oil in there. We do have a brand new filter, which is always good. What I'm going to do now is actually make a video on the Daihatsu naked. So stay tuned for that. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of something that I just realized, which is kind of a con. So as we saw earlier, the doors open to complete 90-degree angle. You're able to also remove the rear seats. But I did realize one flaw on this door card. Comment below if you can see it before I tell you. There's something missing. How do you put the window down? And then that's when I realized, hold on. The only way to access the rear windows is with this guy. So you almost have to ask the front passengers, hey, can someone put my window down? I think that's kind of annoying. So the passenger seat isn't even all the way back. And me with my seatbelt on right now, yes, I can reach, but it's really not ideal. Like, as someone that's 5'9", I can reach here, but I don't really want to do this every time just to get the window down. So that's one flaw we found so far. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to end this one here. Let's see what else we can find that's wrong and what else is pretty cool about the Daihatsu Naked. Stay tuned for my next video. You guys will see some more pros, maybe some more cons, maybe some cool things. And then most importantly, I'm actually going to drive it on the highway. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Road to 40K, Japan in 72 hours. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.